Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, compass, fog lights, heated steering wheel, rear window defroster, security system, power windows, trip computer, heated front seats, electronic stability control, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, remote keyless entry. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.